Dean here, A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Today we're the 2nd of July. Was trying to finish timber here, the walls on timber. And unfortunately, Canada Day weather was piss poor, sorry for the expression. And we are at the running stages right now. So we've got almost one row left to do around, and here's Anne, my beautiful partner, my videograph and everything like that. So today, if we can finish it, I'd like to get a picture of everybody who helped. My brother Glenn is leaving, actually I believe it's tomorrow, and Tommy and Wayne should be here, and I think Billy would be here, and that's about the biggest help we've had from a group of 4 guys. Anyways, we'll see you in a bit. Hopefully everything works on today, and we are now 8 o'clock, and we got to get her done.